Hey, what's up, everybody out there? Hope you washing your hands and staying home and staying healthy. I'm Hakim. People know me as Hakim's Art and Stuff Online, and I'm here with the Wexner Center for the Arts. And since we can't travel or go on any trips or anything, we're gonna make a plane, and not just any plane. We're taking it back to kindergarten, to first grade. We're making some paper airplanes. Now, first thing first, we gotta take off the fringy edges on here. Can't have that on our luxury airline. That'll lower our Yelp review. I'm sure you already know this, but even though a lot of people tried and attempted, the first flight was credited to Ohio's very own Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur. So that's kind of cool to know that some people that live the same place we do did something to change the world forever. All right, still working on getting my edges off. Boom. Gonna crumple that up. Nice and tight. Put that over here. Save it for later. Now, whenever I talk art, I gotta talk shapes. Shapes are like, I think it's an easy way to help somebody get a better perspective on how you make art. It seems less like magic when you can break it down into everything being made out of shapes. Even like I said, for my hand, got like a square right there. Got straight lines. I consider straight lines as shapes, or you can think of it as real thin rectangles. Getting carried away here. What shape do we have in front of us? We have a rectangle. We also have some cool little circles. What we're gonna do is take our rectangle, fold it in half, and use that line over in our edge to guide us and give it a strong crease on the back. Now we got two skinnier rectangles. Next up, we're gonna take our ears, our edges, we're gonna dog ear them down to the middle and make two little triangles. You know, it's over 39,000 planes existing out here, flying around the skies every day. Well, maybe not every day, but you get my drift. Now we have house shape, triangles, triangle, square. We're gonna put these together, fold them together, hot dog style. And in those 39,000 plus foot planes, over 2.7 million people are carried from place to place every day, which I think is wild. That seems like a lot of people. They can't all be needing to go somewhere that bad. Now we have a new shape. I don't know what you want to call it. You're gonna take this edge up here, bring it down to meet our lines. Everything's real symmetrical, so it's easy to remember where you are, to get things right. But if you get them wrong, no biggie. We're not here trying to make the world's perfect plane. We're here trying to do something, trying to make our perfect plane. Take the other side, do the same thing. Crease it real strong. And now we're like over halfway done here. Now, so I used to fly on planes a lot when I was a kid. My dad's from the Virgin Islands. And I don't know, I feel like as I got older, I've got more and more scared of flying. So now we're gonna take this side, our first wing, we're gonna bring it down, right on the line, just like all our other creases. Crease it again. But then over a while, I started to get over it. And I realized I was scared because I didn't know how it was flying. It just didn't make no sense to me. I'm gonna flip it over to the other side, do the same thing. Then I found out that what's happening is the plane's built a certain type of way. They can fly in the air, but it's those engines, those big engines on the side that push it forward strong enough to stay in the air. And now we have our plane. We don't have an engine in this one, but we don't need one. The engine is, you know, it's our hand, it's our heart. It's that good energy that we're bringing through. And remember, we saved this piece from earlier. That'll be our little pilot. Just go ahead and tuck them in there. And even though you can't fly to Detroit right now and see that band you're about to, we're still inside making paper airplanes.